This is Carlos Cousins, and the following SAT writing question asks us for the best way to reword this part of the sentence. Let's go ahead and read this together. Although scientists have long understood the power of touch, disbelieving individuals are being more cautious in their willingness to elevate this sense over all others. So, answer choice A wants to keep it just as it is. It feels a bit strange to have "are being" here. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just that the construction is not as concise as it could be, and this ing ending, especially when the word is functioning as a verb, something we really want to avoid. I can see here going through the answers, essentially C is much better. Disbelieving individuals, sorry, infants are, well, I don't know about infants here, we'll look at that in a second, but are would take away this are being thing. It doesn't look as great as it could, but maybe we're going to continue considering it for now. Skeptics have been more cautious in their willingness to elevate this sense. Overall, others. So this looks good so far. Skeptics implies that other scientists are somehow less cautious. So other scientists elevate the sense of touch over all other senses. But there's nothing necessarily to say that this is wrong. In fact, the next sentence says, doubters of the power of touch, so skeptics, are stuck in the past, basing their arguments and theories, etc., etc. So it looks like the first sentence says that it remains central. Some skeptics don't really believe that it should be elevated over other things. But these skeptics are actually stuck in the past. So this looks good so far. This looks very good. And have been looks a lot better than are being, which have been places it in the past, sort of like a consistent thing going on. Are being it's a bit strange. You want to say are rather than are being because are and is a conjugation verb to be, and so is to be. Whereas helping verb have here is totally okay before another verb. You're gonna see this a lot. When you have as a helping verb, this is completely okay. When you have to be as a helping verb, this is usually not okay. It sounds very strange, especially if it leads to a verb ending in ing. So okay, we can get rid of A completely. Infants are strange because infants we don't know what infants are thinking about their sense of touch. It's very strange. It just doesn't make as much sense as to say that adults that are skeptical about the importance of sense of touch would select that answer choice. But yeah, it looks like doubters of the power of touch aren't going to be infants in the next sentence. Individuals that are doubtful are more cautious in their willingness to. Well, this seems okay too. There's nothing wrong with this, but skeptics means individuals that are doubtful, and it's so much shorter. So because of concision issues, answer choice B here definitely then looks like the best answer choice. I hope that helped with this problem, and happy prepping.